What if I told you you can solve a two-sum problem in one pass instead of checking every pair? In this video, I will show you the simple trick that turns a slow solution into a fast one, and once you see it, you will never forget it. Let's understand the problem first. You are given an array of numbers and a target value. Your goal is to find two different numbers in the array whose sum equals the target and return their indices, not the number themselves. For example, you can check this array 2, 7, 11 and 15, and the target is given as 9. The correct output is the array of 0 and 1, because 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. If you check in this array, 2 is present on index 0, 7 is present on index 1. If you add, you will get your target sum as 9. Let's start with the most natural way to solve this problem, the brute force approach. Imagine you want to try every possible pair in the array and check if their sum equals the target. So we will fix one number, compare it with every other numbers, and if the sum doesn't match, we will move to the next number and repeat the same process. For example, in this array, we'll check 2 with 7, then 2 with 11, then 2 with 15. Then we move on to 7, and check 7 plus 11, 7 plus 15, and so on. Eventually, in the first step, we know 7 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Once we got our sum, we don't need to proceed further, and here we will store our indices in the array and return from here. This method works, but the problem is it takes too much time. Now here's the question, do we really need to check every pair when we look at a number? Instead of searching blindly, we can ask a smarter question. What number do I need to reach target? If the target is 9 and the current number is 2, then I don't need to check all other numbers. I already know I need a 7. So instead of comparing 2 with every element, what if I could instantly check whether 7 already exists in this array or not? And this is where HashMap comes in. I'm currently at index 0. My current number is 2 and my required number is 7. I first check that is my 7 present in this hash map or not. So if not, I will put 2 with its corresponding index. I move further. I first check is my required number, which is -6. I already have 15. I need minus 6. I first check that is my hash map contains minus 6 or not. If not, we will put 15 with its corresponding index. I move further. Then I check. My required number is minus 2 and is still not present in this hash map. Then I move further to 7, which is present on index 3. And my required number is 2. Now this time this 2 is present in this hash map. From this 7 I am able to get my required number 2, and this 2 is present in this hash map, and on this 2 I have my value 0, and I can get my value in big of 1 time because this is hash map. And currently on index 3, so I am able to get my required indices 0 and index 3, and I will return from here. So this way we only scan the array once, turning n big of n square solution into n big of n solution. This small change in thinking makes a huge difference. My time complexity is big of n, my space complexity is, I'm taking hash map. In the worst case I have to take every element from this nums array. So my worst case space complexity will be big of n, because I'm taking big of n auxiliary space. So let's jump to the code now. So what is my step 1? So before traversing this nums array, I should take hash map, then my step 2 will be to traverse this nums array, and if I'm on this current index 0, then my required number is 7. So first I need to check in this hash map, is my required number present or not, and required number is nothing but the difference is in map. Otherwise we need to, if that is not present, we need to put 2 with its current index, which means that we need to put current number with the corresponding index. And what is my step 3? If I am not able to get two numbers for which my target is 9, then in that case I need to return empty array. So let's start. We first need map, now my step 1 is complete. Let's traverse this nums array. So we will take one variable difference. My difference is nothing but target minus my current number. And now let's check if my map contains this difference or not. If map contains difference, it means that I have my required number. My current number is, let's say 2, let's say my current number is 7 and I found 2 It means that I have to return new array with my current index. Suppose I am on 7, and I have to return the 2th index which is present in this map. And how to get that? Map.get where it is present on the difference. Otherwise I need to put my current number on the corresponding index, and if that is not the case, we need to return new empty array. Let's try to run this and now submit. Yes, it is working. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.